New from RAILBLAZA for 2019 is the new Miniport and Rod Holder kits that you'll be finding at some of our retailers as we're moving into the fall. We showed this first at ICAST 2019 in July. Met with a lot of people that are really liking the idea. So what you'll be able to do is basically the Miniport will come packaged with a rod holder. All you need to do is take your Miniport, put it on your track, slide it in place, turn it clockwise, right out of the package. You're going to be able to mount your rod holder and lock it in place. That easy.